Go.
Go!
Hello, Mr. Aaron, Mr. Ryan. How are you today?
Good.
Good. Okay. So yesterday we talked about two
Two
sums.
sums.
We
Today-
sorted array, right? Today we're
Yeah.
going to talk about three sum. So can you guess what's three sum?
It's just the same as two-sum, but instead you
Picking
use
three.
Picking three. Yeah, we're done. Picking three. Okay, let's see. 2, 4, 3, 7, 8, 10,
I'll make
1. Picking three numbers. Let's see if you can make a number 8. Can you make a number 8 with picking three numbers? Picking three numbers. It has to be three
4,
numbers.
3, 1.
We're done. 4, 3, 1. Okay?
Uh,
Okay, so that's the three sums. Any idea how we're doing this? How are we doing this?
If it one sum, it will just be 8.
Yeah, I know. There's no one sum. Okay. Alright. Any idea? If you don't have any idea, we can always. What?
Brute force.
Yes, we're done. Brute force. How are we brute forcing it? We check each pair, right?
Yeah.
okay.
I-
30 at the top.
Alright. Listen. I, J, K. So how many ways of I, J, K? So first of all, I have a loop going from I to this way, yeah? And then I go have another loop
It
from
will-
J.
if
And
that
another
was-
loop from
If
K.
that was two-sum, it will be 7 and 1.
Okay, so what's the current complexity if I go, I brute force the pairs?
O log n.
O and square.
A1.
O and cubic.
Oh, and cubic, come on, yes.
Because you're picking 3.
Yeah, look.
Exactly.
Because, look, it's like that. Alright, look, for I, if there are n numbers, yeah? In range n, yeah?
Yeah.
And then what should I do here? For j, in range I, right? Right? And another loop, alright. Listen to me, alright. For k, in range what?
Nums.
Range j. Because look, I is
Do you
from,
need the column?
yeah. Look, I is from 0 to n. And when I pick I will pick j, which is 0 to I, right?
Pick a J.
Yeah, and k will be 0 to j, right? So in this case, look, this needs the n, right? Am I?
Yeah.
This is another n, this is another n, okay? So what's the time complexity?
Cubic.
N times n times n, okay, that's it. And then look, you can say if nums I plus nums j plus nums k equals target, then we return true, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise return false. Okay, so can we do better? Can we do better? Alright, can we do better?
Not brute forcing.
Not brute forcing. How can we do better without a brute forcing?
Maybe-
I give you a
My
hint.
book.
Notebook may not help. May help this case. Okay, how do you propose with the notebook thing?
Maybe.
Notebook. I think
Maybe
you
not.
will work. You'll be working. Yeah. How do you how do you do it? Well, we
Maths.
Well, how do we
You
do
put
it?
all of the numbers
In a
in
notebook?
that first step.
Yeah.
And the second step
As the second step, what?
is
To add.
to find two numbers
Mhm.
and subtract it from your target and try and define it.
Yes, I think your approach might work. So basically, we
My
go.
work.
Yeah, it depends on how you implement it. So basically, we go through this and then we go through the first number, yeah? Go through the first number and we remember it, right? We remember it.
Yeah.
Or maybe, remember the two sum. Let's talk about two sum and then you will find out why the three sum can be based on two sum. So two sum.
Pass.
Look, if we want to find two numbers, remember, we can go through and then if it's not if the target is not in the notebook, we put it in the notebook and we continue looking for the target minus current number, right? For example, look, 2, I'm looking for 6, yeah? Look, Eric,
Yeah.
is 6 in the notebook? No.
No.
Then I go here, but I put a 2 here, right? Yeah? Is 4 in the notebook? If A minus 4 in the notebook? No? I put a 4 here in the notebook. Do you get it? Yeah? Alright? Does it make sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So how can we apply the two sum algorithm to the three sum? How do we apply it? We go through
They
these.
need to be
Look,
less
look,
than
look.
25.
Look, how about the first number? Eric, look. How about the first number? Try 2, right?
Yeah.
I know the first number is 2. And then the sum of the sum of the next two numbers is 6, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, so where's the next where's the numbers I need to look for? It's including these two, right? Alright? So the problem becomes finding two sum of 6 in this array, right? We already know how to use the two sum, right?
Yeah.
So look,
If you can't find it, you'll go to the next one.
next one, okay, 4. I'm looking for 4 two sums in this array, right?
How about 2 also?
Because I already tried 2, so I don't need to look for this anymore, right? Alright?
Yeah.
So look 4. Can I find 6 in 4 here?
3 and 1.
Yeah, 3 and 1. So look 3, 4, 3, 1. That's it. Yeah? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So remember how we're doing this two sum? One approach is to
Notebook. Brute force.
no, sort it. 2 pointers.
Yeah.
Yeah, that will be easier. So if we sort it, so first of all we sort it, and then I'm writing. Okay. No, don't use it. We can brute force the two sum as well. But if we brute force the two sum, the complexity will be still n cubic, right?
Yeah.
Because brute sum of two sum is n square. Applying the two sum on the three sum, because the first number we need O n, right? N times right? Alright? Yes? Yeah? Does it make sense? Okay?
Yeah.
Using the notebook, make it n. That's fine. Or 2 pointer using n. So altogether, the time complexity is what?
N square.
Yeah, O n squared. So look, we are reducing in from brute force O n cubic to O n squared. It's better, right? It's much better, right? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, define three sum. And nums and target t, okay? Column.
T target.
Okay, look,
Okay.
n equals length nums. Then how are we sorting this nums array? How do we sort it? Sort
Oh, merge.
nums dot sort. That's it. What's the time complexity of this one?
Login.
N log n. Come on. N log n. Okay. N log n. Okay.
Halving.
Yeah, halving. Okay, then look for the first number. Let's say I in range
10.
n.
Normally.
Range n. Okay. Because the for index from I
You
to
need a
range.
column.
Yes, and then look,
Column.
j will be the second number. J k
Will be
will be equals to what? J will be equals to what? K will be equals to what? Can you guess? I already know the first number is I, and then I need to do the two sum here. Okay, so this is the first index, and then this is the whole array. This is n. And what's here? What's here?
I plus 1.
Yeah, I plus 1,
Yeah.
and then this n minus
N.
1, n minus 1, because the
Minus
first, yeah, because the index is start from 0. Okay. Now, Eric, look,
Now,
y, j smaller than k. What's missing?
cut.
Okay, then let's put it s equals
Let's put it.
put it as numbers I plus numbers. Let's put it in a array in a number. Okay, in a s variable plus nums k, right? Then look, if s equals t, return what? Return what? If s equals t, return what?
False.
True.
True.
Yeah, true. Because we found it. Come on.
Yeah, we
If
found it.
if the
The
number
next one
s
must be false then.
s bigger than t, what should we do?
Return false then.
No,
No.
yeah. Come on, understand.
We just move it.
Move which one?
Move.
J.
Well,
S with the sum.
I.
J.
Sum is bigger than the target. Sum is
J.
bigger than
J. No.
J. J.
J
right?
equal the
J what?
1.
No.
1.
J and K.
One.
This is
One.
J. This is K.
Minus 1.
K.
Plus 1.
K.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. 1.
Minus equals 1. Oh, as
Yeah, K.
That
as what?
might be the same, but in
Column.
As what?
J. J minus equals 1.
Add equal 1.
I equals 1 because you're moving. If it's smaller,
Return false.
if it's smaller, I need to move the lower head, lower pointer. If the
Return
bigger,
false.
I need to move it. Yeah. Return false here, right?
Yeah.
What's the time complexity?
Oh. I think.
N square.
Oh, n square.
Yeah.
Here, look. Actually, look at the aggregate complexity is O(n) log n plus. Here's O(n), here's O(n) square. But this is trivial compared to O(n) square, right? This is O(n) times n. This is O(n) times log n. So which is bigger? That one. Yeah. So we discuss this one. We remove the trivial part because this is more dominating.
Trivia time.
Yeah. This is bigger part.
Zoom in.
So we ignore this, right? Because this is bigger. This is dominating. This is more important or more time-consuming part. Okay. So what's the space complexity?
O1. Or
Yeah.
O(n) or N square N.
O1, yeah, because there are no
I
additional
said
space.
O1.
You're guessing. You're not understanding,
Maybe.
right?
Maybe not.
Oh, I see. Okay, so any questions so far?
No.
And I'm going to erase it. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So what?
Oh,
What?
yeah.
What?
So, for iron region,
Come on.
JK equals.
What? Come on,
plus
understand.
one
Eric, you can do it.
I think it's JK equals something.
Yeah, J and K. What? What's the beginning? J.
K equals
Writing it beautifully, not.
I plus 1. Boom. Boom.
equals
Yeah.
I
Plus 1,
1
comma. Yeah.
N minus 1.
We're done. This is the same as J equals I plus 1 and K equals N minus 1. Does it make sense?
Bye.
Yes, does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Bye.
Bye bye. That's it for today.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Say see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.